Hey guys, here's the answers to the first order questions. This is the answer to 13.65, finding concentration at time. You were given the initial concentration, 0.004 molarity. You were given K and you were given T. So simply the setup there, uh, much easier to use than anything else, I think. So you have our concentration initial, base natural log right here, and then bracketing negative KT. Simply fill in your variables and you can solve like that. This way of writing the formula, I think, is essential to get comfortable with. Concentration at time is equal to concentration initial, base natural log, parentheses, negative KT. And so the answer then is 0.00370 molarity at 1 hour. And in the second part, at one day, I believe was the time, you end up with this value, 0.0006 molarity. Okay. For 13.66, finding K from the given data, using the typical formula format here, what we have is ln at 0 over t is equal to kt. So I filled in our values. So I'm going to take the ln of 5 is equal to k times 75 minutes. ln of 5 is 1.6 times k times 75 minutes. So k, I simply take that 1.6 divided by 75 and I get 0.021 per minute, and that is my final answer. And that's how we find K. 13.67, the same idea. Again, filling in all the known variables, and I went down step by step. And I just took the ln of 1.67, to which is 0.513, K times 120 minutes, which is 2 hours. I get K is 0.513 over the 120 minutes is 0.00425 is our value. There we go. And lastly, finding initial concentration. This one was probably a little bit trickier. The first thing I did was set up my formula up here for first order concentrations. Then I broke it down, and I broke it down the natural log of the initial concentration minus the natural log of the concentration at time is equal to KT. The natural log of the initial minus the natural log of 5 is equal to these two values, which we have, one of which is K, the other is 180 minutes, 3 hours of time. So I have everything now but the natural log initial. I then add 1.61 to each side, so I get this. I then do base natural log 2.375, and I get this value of 10.75 milligrams per kilogram, and that is the answer. So those were the 4 problems assigned. I hope you understood them. If not, please let me know your questions. I would love to go over them with you with a Zoom or anything like that. Take care. This is today's first of 2 video installments.